In this video, I will show you how to verify your Upwork client account to post your first job in Upwork account. Let me show you how. You can do this on Android phone or iPhone. So for everyone using Android phone, simply go to your Play Store right here. Then on getting to Play Store, click on search. Then click on search app and game and type in Upwork. Make sure you click on search, and here we go, Upwork. Make sure you click on this one right here. Download and install Upwork. Then after a successful download, click on open right here to launch the Upwork. And then if you are logging in for the first time, you'll be asked to log in with your Upwork client account username and password. After a successful login, it's going to take you to your Upwork dashboard right here. So one of the reasons why you cannot post job in your newly Upwork client account is that you have not verified your phone number, which is one of the requirements. All you have to do right is to simply click on here to verify your phone number, and here you go. Your phone number is going to be update right here. All you have to do is simply click on send code right here. The code is here. Go ahead and copy the code and enter the code. Then click on verify phone number. Successfully done. It's that simple. With that, you can now start post job in your Upwork client account. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.